Today's session is based on HCF. We will try to cover 20 to 25 problems based upon highest common factor. Few important key points before we start the session. First key point, the class will not be available right after the class is over. Class will not be available. Ensure that when I am taking the class, ensure that you take a pen and a notebook and write down the concepts as and when I am discussing. Point number 2. Two sessions are based on HCF. HCF I will be spending close to 3 to 4 hours. Session 1 and 2, both the sessions are based on highest common factor. Highest common factor. Take a pen and a notebook and write down. Tell to the world that you are busy in studies. No distractions, no WhatsApp messages. It will disturb your learning. That's point number 4. Let me get into the topic. Anybody who is interested in entertainment or a time pass or a useless communication, I suggest that you should leave the class. It's of no use to you. Now, let me take the class. First, HCF. HCF stands for, H stands for highest, C stands for common, highest common factor. HCF stands for highest common factor. HCF stands for highest common factor. First we will understand the definition. Then we will understand how to find out the HCF of the given problems. Definition. Now, highest common factor. Suppose there are two numbers. For example, suppose if I take the example, let me take the first example. Suppose if I take the first example, two examples I will take. Let me take two random natural numbers. Let me call it as n1 equivalent to 6, n2 equivalent to 9. These are two random natural numbers. As the name suggests, highest common factor. First take the factors for the given numbers. Then take the factor which is common to all the numbers. Then take the highest number among the given factors. So there are three steps. One is write down all the factors for the number. Then take the factor which is common. Then take the highest among the common factor. A factor is a number which will divide a number completely. What are the factors of 6? A factor is a number which is less than or equivalent to a given number and it will divide the number perfectly. So the factors of 6 are 1 will divide 6, 2 will divide 6, 3 will divide 6 and 6 will divide 6. Similarly, for 9, 1 will divide 9, 3 will divide 9 and 9 will divide 9. So the first thing is we have listed all the factors. We have listed all the factors of 6 and 9. So the first step is over. Second step is we have to take the factors common. Factors common to 6 and 9. Factor common to 6 and 9 means are the numbers which will divide both 6 and 9. Factors common to 6 and 9 are 1 will divide 6, 1 will divide 9. 3 will divide 6, 3 will divide 9. So there are two factors which are common to 6 and 9, that is 1, 3. 1 obviously will be their factor common to every number. Highest common factor. Highest common factor for 6 and 9 will be 3. Highest common factor. There are two factors common, that is 1 and 3. I want the highest, so highest will be 3. HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. Write down all the factors for every number given in the question. Take the common factors and then take the highest. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. HCF for 6, 9 will be 3. Now this is the traditional method. In none of our problems we will use this method. This is just for our understanding of the concept. There are two concepts, traditional methods. This is method 1. How to find out the HCF for a given number. How to find out the HCF for a given number? Simple definition. Write all the factors for both the numbers. Take the common factor and then take the highest. This is method 1. There is another traditional method. Method 2 is based upon common prime basis. Common prime basis. By the end of the class, every student will have an understanding of HCF. You will be able to solve a lot of questions in 10 to 20 seconds just by looking at a question. You will be able to solve. You will also understand which method to be used when. We will use all the approaches, traditional methods, option elimination approaches, divisibility approaches, right? Minimum difference approaches. We will discuss basic, intermediate and advanced level questions. Common prime basis. What is common prime basis method? Suppose if there is a number 6, convert these number into prime bases 2 and 3. There is another number 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Convert every number into prime bases. HCF of n1, n2. If the given numbers are in prime bases, you have to take lowest power of the given common prime basis. Lowest power of the common prime basis. HCF of a given numbers is nothing but lowest power of the given common prime numbers or common prime basis. Common prime basis, lowest power of the common prime basis, lowest power of the common prime basis. Why only lowest? Because lowest power will automatically be a factor of the given number. Now if you see 3 power 1, 3 power 2. What is the lowest power that is common? Which is 3. So HCF of n1 and n2 will be 3. Here if you write it as 2 power 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1. What is the lowest power common? That is 2 power 0. If the given question is in prime basis, if the given question is in prime basis, if the given question has a prime basis, if the given question has a prime basis, use this concept of lowest power of the given common prime basis. Underline the important keyword common prime basis. Lowest power of the common prime basis. This is the definition, listing out all the factors. Method 1 is listing out all the factors. Method 2 is writing the number as a power of prime basis and doing it. These just the beginning. You will see close to 20 to 25 problems based upon this concept. Common prime basis. Let me take few examples. Suppose for example, n1 equivalent to 12, n2 equivalent to 24. n1 equivalent to 12, n2 equivalent to 24. 12 in prime basis is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 24 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1. HCF of n1 and n2. HCF means I have to take the lowest power of the common prime basis. 2 square, 2 cube. Lowest is nothing but 2 square. Both of them contains 3 power 1, so it is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. 4 into 3. Answer is 12. 4 into 3. Answer is 12. This is nothing but a prime base concept. But in the examination, those students who follow Anil Nair classes, we are not interested in traditional methods. I will tell you other optimal methods. Just by looking at an question, you can tell this is nothing but a prime base approach. This approach is nothing but a prime base approach, writing the number as a power of prime basis. but we will see the ANC approach. We will see the ANC approach. Right now we will discuss HCF, then we will discuss LCM. ANC approach. HCF of, same thing, I will tweak it. HCF of 12, 24. Listen carefully, sir. HCF of 12, 24. HCF of 12, 24. Step number 1. Step number 1. Take the lowest number. In the given numbers, take the lowest number. What is the lowest number here? 12. Step number 2. Check if it divides all the other numbers. Check if it divides all the other numbers. Other number is 24. Is 24 divisible by 12? Yes. Then the answer is the lowest number. Then the answer is the lowest number. Take the lowest number. Lowest number is 12. Check with other numbers. Other number is 24. Is 24 divisible by 12? Yes. So answer is the lowest number. If not, write all the factors of the lowest number. If not, write all the factors of the lowest number. If not, write all the factors of the lowest number. We will do as many problems as possible. It's a simple 3-step approach. By knowing this approach, 10 to 20 seconds you will get the answer. No need to find HCF, prime basis and everything. Take the lowest number. Check whether the lowest number divides every other number. If lowest number divides every other number, lowest number is the HCF. If the lowest number, if it is not dividing it, then write all the factors of the lowest number. Write all the factors of the lowest number. Answer for this question is lowest number is 12. 12 will divide 24. So answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. Take the lowest number. Check whether the lowest number divides all the other numbers. If it divides, answer is the lowest number. If it does not divide, write all the factors of the lowest number. Write all the factors of the lowest number. Now this is the concept. Now we will do as many problems as possible based upon this concept. Various methods I will discuss. Don't leave in between. Basic, intermediate, advanced. Basic, intermediate, advanced. Variety of questions we will discuss. Variety of questions we will discuss. First we will start with the fundamentals. Then we will get into a problem solving using fundamentals. Then we will get into an intermediate level. Then an advanced level. Now problems. Basic level problems. Basic level problems. Not a single doubt you will get it in the class. Basic level problems. Basic level problems. Now see these 3 questions. Question 1, question 2 and question 3. Ensure that you write it parallelly. Basic level problems. Question 1, question 2 and question 3. First let me solve question 2. Question 2. Question is HCF of 6, 12 and 18. What is the logic we discussed? Take the lowest number. Lowest number is 6. Check if it divides every other number. 12 is divisible by 6 because 12 is 6 into 2. 12 is divisible, 18 is divisible by 6 because it is 6 into 3. So answer is nothing but the lowest number. Lowest number here in this case is 6. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. HCF of 6, 12, 18. First check, take the lowest number. Check whether the lowest number divides every other number. 12 is divisible by 6, 18 is divisible by 6. So answer for this question is 6. Similarly, suppose if I take the third question, 8. Take the lowest number. Lowest number is 8. HCF of 8, 20, 28, 44. 8 is the lowest number. Check whether the lowest number divides every other number. Is 20 divisible by 8? No. So answer is not 8. If it is not 8, take all the factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the numbers which are factors of 8. These are the numbers which are factors of 8. Now, is there any audio issue? Kindly acknowledge it in the live chat if there is any audio issue. Anurag says that there is an audio issue. Do you all agree? Other students, is there any audio issue? Is there any audio issue? Acknowledge it in the live chat if there is any audio issue.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Other students. Harsha says no. Other students. Right, let us get into the class. So 8 will not divide 20. 8 will not divide 28. So 8 is eliminated. What is the next highest factor? Highest common factor 4. Does 4 divide 20? Yes. 4 5s are 20. Does 28 is divisible by 4? Yes. 4 7s are 28. Is 44 divisible by 4? Yes. So answer is 4. I hope the idea is very clear. Always play with the lowest number in the given numbers. Lowest number is 8. Lowest number is 8. Check whether all the other numbers 20, 28, 44, are they divisible by 8? 20 is not divisible by 8. So 8 is not the answer. Check with the factors of 8. If 8 is not possible, check the next highest factor, which is 4. 4 will divide 8, 4 will divide 20, 4 will divide 28, 44. I hope question 2 is basic, question 3 is also basic. Similarly, now automatically your mind will get into problem solving. HCF of 24, 60, 48, 108. Take the lowest number. Lowest number is 24. Is 60 divisible by 24? No. 24 3s are 72, 24 2s are 48. 60 is not divisible by 24. Then take all the factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24. 24 does not divide 60. So if 24 is not dividing, go to the next highest number. Highest number here is 12. Is 60 divisible by 20? Yes, 12 5s are 60. Is 48 divisible by 12? Yes, 12 4s are 48. Is 108 divisible by 12? Yes, 12 9s are 108. So answer is, if not 24, the next highest factor of 24. Answer is 12. I hope the idea is clear. In my class, we will always play with the ideas. Ideas concept is king. Answer is 12. Question number 1, I hope it is clear. Question number 2, I hope it is clear. Question number 3. 3 questions, understanding the definition of highest common factor. Again, I am repeating it. Idea is very simple. Find the lowest number among the given numbers. Check whether the lowest number divides every other number. If the lowest number divides every other number, lowest number is the HCF. If lowest number is not dividing, then take all the factors of the lowest number. Take all the factors of the lowest number. The largest factor which will divide every other number is the HCF. I hope the idea is clear. 3 questions. 3 questions. Now we will solve another 3 questions based upon this idea. HCF of 30, 42, 135. HCF of 24, 60, 84, 108. HCF of 108, 288, 360. Now see question number 4. Now we will solve it very quickly. HCF of 30, 42, 135. 30 is the lowest number. Is 42 divisible by 30? 42 is not divisible by 30. because 42 is 2 into 30. 42, 33s are 90. So if not 30, what is the next highest factor of 30? Which is 15. Check whether 15 divides every other number. 42, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. 42 is not divisible by 50. What is the next highest factor of 15, 35? Is 42 divisible by 5? No, because any number when divisible by 5, unit digit should be 0 or 5. It is not 5. What is the next highest factor? 3. 30, 3 10s are 30, 3 14s are 42, 3 45s are 135. Question number 4, answer will be 3. Answer will be 3. Answer will be 3. Again I am explaining. If I take 30, 30 should divide every other number. If 30 divides every other number, 30 is the HCF. 30 will not divide. If not 30, list down all the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 15, 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 15, 30. 30 is not dividing other two numbers. Similarly, 15 is not divising. Right? Next, 6. Check with 6. I did not check it with 6. You have to check it with 6. 135. 135 is not divisible by 6. 6 is out, 5 is out. So the next value is 3. I hope it is clear. 135. 135 is not divisible by 6. 135 is not divisible by 6. 135. 6 is nothing but divisible. 6 is n. 135 is not divisible by 6. I hope it is clear, Rahul. Next one. HCF of 24, 60, 84, 108. 24, 60, 84, 108. 24, 60, 84, 108. Always play with the smallest number. Smallest number is 24. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. 60. 60 is it divisible by 24? No. So 24 is not the answer. Now the next highest common factor is 12. Check whether all the numbers are divisible by 12. 24 is divisible by 12. 60 is divisible by 12. 84 is divisible by 12. 108 is divisible by 12. So answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. By this time you will start solving extremely important fundamentals. Answer for this question is 12. I will discuss variety of methods. Variety of methods. So that by the end of the class you will come to know how to find 2 power 6 minus 1 comma 2 power 9 minus 1 also. Next one. 108, 288, 360. In the class only we should complete the practice. 108, 288, 360. 288 is not divisible by 108. So what is the next factor of 108? 36. 288 is nothing but 36 8s are. So 288 is divisible by 36. 360 is nothing but 10 into 36. 360 is also divisible by 36. So answer for this question is 36. Answer for this question is 36. Answer for this question is 36. We have to take the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. First look at 108. If 108 divides every other number, 108 is the HCF. If not, go to the next highest factors of 108. Next factor of 108 is 36. 36 3s are 108. 36 8s are 288. 36 10s are 360. So answer for this question is 36. Answer for this question is 36. I hope the idea is clear. All the first 6 questions. All the first 6 questions are basic questions. Understanding of the concept. All the first 6 questions help us to understand the concept better. 6 problems in our class which help us to understand the concept better. Understand the concept better. Right. Now let us get into the next one. Now let us get into 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9. Most of them are replica of the exam based questions. 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9. Now let us solve the last set of 3 problems which help us to understand. HCF of 120, 150, 135. Lowest number is 120. Is 150 divisible by 120? No. What are the next factors? Few factors. 60 is one factor. 40 is one factor. 30 is one factor. 15 is one factor. 6 is another factor. 3 is another factor. 2 is another factor. 1 is another factor. Total 120, it is nothing but 15 into 8. So 3 into 5 into 2 cube. Like that totally I will get 4 into 2 into 2. Like that total 16 factors I will get. I only wrote a few factors. Few factors. 120. It is divisible by 60. 150 is not divisible by 60. 120 is divisible by 40. 150 is not divisible by 40. 135 is not divisible by 30. 15 is nothing but 120. 120 is 15 into 8. Yes, it is divisible by 15. 150 is 15 into 8. 10, it is divisible by 15. 135 is 15 into 9. It is also divisible by 15. So answer for this question is nothing but 15. Question number 9. Answer is nothing but 15. Answer is nothing but 15. I hope the idea is clear. But listing down all these factors for this problem, this method is becoming a little lengthy method. That is the reason I will discuss another approach in the next problem. So method 1. Right? Method 1 is just to take the lowest factor, lowest number, write down all the factors. But for few problems it is becoming lengthy, which you will understand in the next question number 7 and 8. Then you will see, right, how to go to the next method. Question number 7. First I will discuss the basic problems. Then I will discuss the intermediate problems. Then I will tell you the application of HCF in real time life. HCF of 750, 6300, 18900. 730. Is 730 divisible by 75? 75. 8s are it is 600. 9s are it is 750. 9s are 75. 9s are it is coming to 9 5s are 45, 63, 675. So 750 does not divide this number. Next factors. 250, 150, like that so many. 250, 630 is not divisible by 250. 0, 0 cancel. 25 4s are 100, 25 6s are 150. So it is not possible. 150. Let me take 150. 150 is nothing but 750 is nothing but 150 into 5. So it is divisible. 6300 is nothing but 150 into 4s are 600, 42. So these are divisible. 18,900. It is 150 into 150 1s are 150, which is 390. 152s are 390, 150, 126. So answer for this question is 150. If you observe, it is becoming a little lengthy if I use the definition approach. That is the reason I will solve use another approach in the next few questions. Answer is 150. Again and again I am repeating it. Take the lowest number. If the lowest number divides all the other numbers, lowest number is the HCF. If lowest number, if it is not dividing, take the factors of the lowest number. Ensure that you take the highest factor, because definition is highest common factor. Highest common factor. I hope the idea is clear. Not a single doubt you will get in your class. HCF of 136515601715. 1365 will not divide 1560. 1365 will not divide 1560. So let us take 1365 factors. It is nothing but 5 into 5 2s are 10, 36, 5 7s are 35, 273. 5 into 273. That means the factors of 1365 are 1, 5, 3, 91, 91, 273 and 1365, because 273 is a composite number. 1365 it is not possible. 1365 will not divide. So 1365 is out. Next is 273. 273 will not divide 1560. 273 is out. Similarly 91 will not divide 5. 1365. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Divisibility rule of 5 should be divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5 is unit digit should be 5 or 0. Unit digit should be 5 or 0. Unit digit should be 5 or 0. So here the unit digit is 5. Here the unit digit is 0. Here the unit digit is 5. So answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Now, when we started with the first 3 problems, we felt that this method is giving answer directly. But once we realized in the next 3 questions that it is not that easy, little bit of calculation is required. Question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 says that by using this method it is a little time consuming. It will take a little more time to compute it. It will take little more time to compute it. It will take a little more time to compute it. I hope the idea is clear. Question number 7, 8 and 9. Question number 7, 8, 9. As we move forward in the class, you will understand which method to use, for what kind of problems you need to use, for what kind of problems which method you should not use, what is the better method. Hopefully by the time the class is over, you will get an idea. Not a single doubt you will get it in my class, because we use a thematic based learning. We start from basic, then we will go to intermediate. Finally, we will reach advanced level question. Again, I am explaining all the concepts used in question number 7, 8, 9. Question number 9. HCF of 120, 150, 135. 120. Take the lowest number 120. Take the lowest number 120. 120 will not divide 150. 120 will not divide 135. 120 it is not possible. Next highest factor of 120 is 60. 60. 135 is not a multiple of 60. 60 is out. 40 is out. 30 is out. 30 is out. 15. Check with 15. 15 8s are 120. 15 10s are 150. 15 9s are 135. This is the basic way to solve. Now we will see how to use answer options. Basic way to solve. Now we will see answer options. There are again few more questions which will solve it very fast. 10, 11, 12 exam model questions. Right, exam model, then we will discuss the shortcut. Now see, we will understand the basic, then also we will discuss the shortcut. We have to understand how the shortcut is developed also. HCF of 24, 60, 48. 24 will not divide 60. Next highest factor is 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 4s are 48. 12th question answer is 12. 12th question answer is 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 5s are 60 and 12 5s are 125. 12 5s are 125. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, HCF of 50, 75, 125. 50 will not divide 75. Factor of 50 is 25. 25 3s are 75, 25 5s are 125. Answer is 25. Some direct exam based questions, directly how you can solve. Any issues students are facing? I hope everything is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if everything is clear. 56, 84, 70. 84 is not divisible by 56. Next is 28. 28. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.